Hello and welcome to 9Honey's Royal Hacks. I'm Natalie Oliveri inside the beautiful Queen Victoria building in Sydney. There's a reason the Duchess of Cambridge and the Duchess of Sussex always look incredible in whatever they wear. That's because their clothes are made for them, ensuring a perfect fit. But there's another trick Kate and Meghan use that any of us can follow. It's all about knowing which style best suits your body type and then buying that item of clothing in as many colours as you can. Take this dress for example. I love the shape, the cut, so I bought it in 4 different colours. I did the same with these skirts. And just because something is designed a certain way doesn't mean you need to follow the rules. Try wearing your dress back to front to show off your best assets. After all, Kate wore her purple Gucci blouse backwards with the buttons running down the front instead of the back as intended. If Kate and Meghan can do it, then so can we.